Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB update for Tuesday 16th of August. Now the technical targets were met for SHIB, and the question really is what happens next from this point. Okay, so yesterday I did talk, bring to your notice about this particular potential bull flag that was about to happen, but that bull flag never really happened for SHIB, and you just ended up coming and closing below that level. So the question really is this a sideways movement that we're looking at to continue higher? Is it going to drop to the downside? What is it going to do? Is SHIB interested to continue to preserve the move to move even higher? Now I do actually see a trouble with SHIB right now, and let's remove all the drawings and start from the very beginning again. And I don't think this is a good sign for SHIB right now, and that is potentially SHIB is putting in a bear flag. You can see this bear flag is getting extended right now. And SHIB can actually drop to this particular level because you've been overextended. You've actually just pumped really huge for SHIB right now, and there could be chances that you're looking for SHIB to go down and break to that particular level here, which is going to be 1420, and potentially come down to this level right there. So be very, very careful. I do think that's the bear flag. Now there's a monthly price target for SHIB that was never really met, right? And it's really important for me to point out, and that is you still have this bear flag on a monthly time frame. Yes, there's a nice good pump up there to the upside, but then again when you look at it, there's this bear flag at the moment for SHIB. And if I do take the technical targets, take the top to the bottom here, this is where it broke out, and you never actually came to that technical target, which is actually 556. Okay, so on a higher time frame, you never know if next month you start to drop massively, and then from there you start continue to go to the downside. Now on a smaller time frame, all these patterns that I was predicting about the inverted and shoulder, yeah, they played out. That's amazing. That's pretty amazing. But then again, on a higher time frame, if you look at it that way, there's always a good chance that you might be looking for SHIB to come down. Now, if you were to get very, very bullish for SHIB and make that final extra push to the upside, that could just mean that SHIB is looking to actually continue and go up to retest that flag on the monthly, and that's going to be 2200. If you cross it, that's a different story. If you break it, then all those bearish sentiments get out of the way. But if you actually just come up here and get rejected again, then it could be a huge blow to start move down again. All right, so you gotta be careful here. And right now at the moment, there's a small bear flag on the 4-hour time frame, which can actually take SHIB down to 1420. And that's pretty much it for this update today. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.